Okay, what exactly took place at this location is that we have been conducting several investigations as it relates to missing persons, and our investigations actually led us to this location sometime yesterday, about 3 p.m., along with the members of the St. Andrew South Police Division. We have been conducting an investigation wherein bodies were said to be buried on this plot of land, an area called Dangerous Island. And right here, what we did yesterday was to actually scan the area for any possibility of any evidence of such burial or graves. We identified two possible areas. Hence, about 6 a.m. today, we started operations with the use of the cadaver dogs. Actually, the identification will be a bit tedious in that the state of decomposition is very advanced, hence we will be relying solely on the sciences to assist the identification process. So we have just started where that is concerned.